What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a logo for free. In fact, I'm going to show you two different online softwares you can use to create your very own logo. After watching this video, you're gonna be able to do something like this using just your browser. All the programs mentioned in this video, there's gonna be a link in the description below. So let's start. The first tool we're going to use is called Logo Maker. So we're gonna type Logo Maker without the E. This is just a small tutorial, you can skip it if you want. And this is the interface. Pretty simple interface, guys, you can use, but it has all you need to create your logo, right? So as you can see here, you have searched over 1 million graphics. You can search whatever you want here. There are different categories: abstract, shapes, nature, silly, multicolor, sketches, badges. So you can play around here and find whatever you want. So let's go back. In this case, I want to create a logo for a gym. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna search for something related to a gym. And I'm gonna use a kettlebell. And there are different styles. I like this one. And we wanna move it here. Make it a bit smaller. Then we wanna change the color. I like that one. And let's put some text. And I'm gonna name my brand in Elite Fitness. And I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. There we go. No, it's too big. Like that, okay? Now let's change the font. You just go here. You can see there are different styles: 3D, decorative, designer, pix, fancy. In this case, we're gonna use decorative. Choose the one you like. I already find one that I like. Is this one, Fugas 1. We're gonna make it a bit bigger here. There we go. Yeah, and we're gonna give it the same color as this. Okay. So as you can see, I select this one, and here in the colors section, you can see that this is the number, the code. Copy this, now choose the letter, and copy the color code here. And now we're gonna add a line down here. So we're gonna go to shapes, circle, square, triangle, line. We're gonna bring this down here, and we're gonna double click it, and we're gonna make it a little bit fat and longer. So there we go. Yeah, now what we want to do is change the color. Copy this, and I'm gonna paste it here. There we go. Now we're gonna add the slogan. Gonna text, bring this text down here. I'm gonna write something like strength and conditioning. There we go. We're gonna change the font. We're gonna choose simple, and we're gonna change the fonts to something better. Let's go. I like this one, Julius Sands, and we're gonna make it a bit smaller. There we have it. And we're gonna change the color. I'm gonna choose black. Yeah, looks nice. And this look empty. We're gonna add another image. So we're gonna do something like someone lifting a bar. We're gonna do something like scroll down. Let's choose something I like. Okay, I like this one, and we're gonna grab this one here. We're gonna make it a bit smaller, and there we have it. Maybe we want to change the color into a white. There we have it, guys. And now what we have to do is to save it. Just you're gonna click here, save logo. And if you want to modify or change something in the logo, just save this URL and just paste it on the browser, and you're gonna be able to change the logo however you want. So in this case, you wanna save it, just click no thanks, download low resolution file. It's not a big deal, it looks good anyways. And it's gonna be download into my download folder on my computer. And that's how easy it is to create a logo with Logo Maker. And a quick tip I'm gonna give you guys is that don't overcomplicate things on creating your logo, okay? I know we all want nice logos with beautiful colors and all that stuff, but honestly, you can perfectly have just the first letters of your name, your business name, and you still can be successful. What really matters is the content, the value you provide to your audience, your viewers, your clients. That's how they're gonna remember you and your brand. Just take that in mind. So let's go, and I'm gonna show you the second tool you can use to create your logo. And this is the second tool, guys. It's called the hood, and as you can see, this is a nice, clean, easy to use interface as well. It comes with a logo. As an example, you want to erase that, just click on new, yes, and also you can change the background color, but in this case I'm just gonna leave it in white. So right now I was thinking about creating something more serious, like a law firm. I have something in mind, so we're gonna add a shape, a circle. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger here. You see that it blinks, that means it's selected, so we're gonna change the color. I already have a color in mind. There we go. Now we're gonna add a symbol. Something I like about the hood is that it has a lot of different categories. You can see art, design, avatars, business, casino, cinema. So we're gonna look for something like for lawyers. There we have it, legal. There are many symbols you can use. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. There we go. We're gonna select this, and we're gonna change the color. We're gonna use a white, and also we're gonna change that. We're gonna make it white. Okay. And we're gonna change this like a leaf, so we're gonna click here, and we're gonna change a color. I already have a color in mind. There we go. There we have it. Now we're gonna add some text. Choose this. Write like something like firm. We're gonna duplicate this. This is gonna be our slogan. There we go. So first we wanna change the font and the color. Okay, so the font we wanna change for something better. Let's go. Okay, I like this one. And we want to change the color into the same we have here in this leaf. So we're gonna copy this, choose our letters, and we're gonna paste the color. There we have it. And we want to make it a bit bigger. Okay, now we want to edit the slogan. We want to change the color and the font. So we're gonna choose for this one something different, maybe like let's see, like this one. Okay, and okay, I'm gonna write it again because it changes to lowercase. I'm gonna choose okay. And there we go. Now we want to use the same color. And there we have it. That's how easy it is to create a logo with this software. Now you just have to download and save the logo. Go to save and download, and it's gonna ask you to put your email where you want to receive the logo, the file, and as well they're gonna send you the link where you're gonna be able to edit the logo however you want. You want to change the color, the text, you can do that as well. You're just gonna receive an email, you're gonna download a zip file, you're gonna click on that zip file, it's gonna open a folder. So in that folder is gonna look like this with different styles of the logo, formats, PNG, JPG, with and without background, and that's it guys. You can go and start using your logo however you want. And there you have it guys, those are the two software you can use to create your very own logo, easy and fast and for free. But let's say you still want to hire someone else, maybe a professional, to create your logo. So you can go to the website called fiverr.com. Here you can find people that can make you a logo in an affordable price. I recommend you to search for those that doesn't have many reviews because they usually give you lower prices and they still create amazing designs. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, it's gonna mean a lot to me. If you like this video, share it with someone else that might need it. Comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And without further ado, see you in the next one.